Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold from 2012 to 2020, it has created this particular pattern. After that, this particular pattern is created and this is for 2 years pattern. Okay, and the same pattern is created here and this is a 8-month pattern. What this pattern says that the 8-year pattern is similar to this pattern, that a U pattern is formed after a fall has come. You can see in this 2-year pattern also. After that a swing is formed, it went upside in the same way it went upside. Okay, now similarly this particular U pattern is also creating the same thing, that is a 8-month pattern. Okay, it has already made this particular high. Now it is moving in this particular zone, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, till the time it is not breaking this particular zone upside or downside, we will not see there will be a good volatility, because if you look at this particular trend also, here it was moving in this zone. As soon as it break a zone, it moved further down. So once it's make a zone breakout upside or downside, then we can see there can be chances of going further high or further down. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high as soon as it breaks this particular zone. And for this particular week we have seen there is a continuous fall after making a high of around $2089, as you can see looking at this particular chart, 208.83. after that there is a continuous fall we have seen looking at this particular chart. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is the U pattern forming and you can see a upside, it is trying to go upside. So chances can be high, as it is already made a high of around $2084.54. After that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and I have already explained you that if the price move above a level of around $2000, chances of going further high is there, because all these resistance are being weak resistance. So chances was very high that it can go further upside. Okay, now if this level sustain, what we can see, if this level sustain, it can go towards a level of $2009, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $2030. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can cross a level of around $2051. Okay, and this $2051 is already a weak resistance, so chances of going further high will be there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $2086.9. keep that in mind. Once the price sustain this particular level, a level of $2051, because this particular level is already a weak resistance, chances of going towards a level of 2086.9 will be there after crossing a level of 2084. Keep that in mind, because once started going upside, we can see there will be a zone breakout and chances of touching its all-time high will be there, and a probability if this sustain, it can go further upside. Okay, this is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Overall trend is upside. Okay, and if it crosses and sustain a level of around $2012, chances of going further upside is there. But if it didn't sustain this level, and then chances of going below a level of 2000 will be there. Okay, and then further low we can see. See, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can move towards a level of $1998. Okay, this $1998 is the next support. After this particular resistance, cross this particular support, crossing a level of $2003, we can see a level of 1998, and once it move below this particular level, then we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching 1980 is there. Keep that in mind. Once the price fall below a level of 1980, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1975 to a level of 1966. Okay, after $1975, we can see a level of $1966, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1951 to a level of around 1940. Okay, and if the price fall below 1951 to a level of 1940, and then further low if the price didn't sustain, and chances of going further down towards a level of 1937 will be there to a level of 1920. Keep that in mind. Once it breaks this particular zone downside, then chances of going towards 1960 will be there to a level of 1946, to a level of 1937, and to a level of 1920. Okay, because a zone breakout will happen and a probability that a swing will form proper and chances of going further down will be there for the price of gold. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, now what mistake the traders do? Okay, they think that the market will go sharp up or fall. Till the time there is no big event is coming, we will not see there will be a sharp fall or sharp rise, and this sharp fall will create a huge volatility. So if the volatility is high, try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice. Okay, that is where, otherwise what will happen, it will hit your SL before then hitting your target. Okay, try to reduce quantity to half, then only you can be a good in a volatile market. Okay, I teach how to overcome all these things which are in traders investors lose money. Okay, I teach how to overcome all these psychological issues and all. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.